Comport Trimo. Open the box and remove the product in its sterile blister pack. Hold the open mark of the tie vec. Carefully strip it out and place the product on a sterile surface. Hold the main body of the new type of holder with one hand and strip out the cover by raising it up in a vertical direction with a little twist using the other hand. Apply a proper amount of viscoelastic to the cartridge loading bay and the guide rail when the cartridge is mounted on the holder. When the cartridge is inserted in the cartridge holder, place the intraocular lens as close to the front side as possible. While sliding the intraocular lens along the guide rail on the back side of the cartridge, insert the intraocular lens. The optic and haptic must be placed in the guide rail. Before closing the cartridge, be sure to confirm that it is properly placed in the guide rail within the loading bay. Fold the wing of the cartridge. When the cartridge wing is hooked on the edge of the holder and the cartridge is not closed, separate the cartridge from the holder and click to close it. Separate the silicone cushion mounted on the holder. With the V shape of the silicone cushion heel upward, mount it on the back of the cartridge. Push the silicone cushion into the cartridge until it is inserted up to 1/2 of its length. Mount the injector on the cartridge mounted with the silicone cushion. Next, push the cartridge to the end of the injector so that it can be perfectly mounted. When mounting is finished, push the plunger so that its tip end can fit well into the groove on the back of the silicone cushion. Then push the plunger to allow the silicone cushion to push the intraocular lens into the eye.